Sick and tired of the texture DDS module DLL crash stopping your play? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's repair the link between your engine and hardware right now. Access the official texture DDS module diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This is the texture DDS module. This library manages the localized parsing and decompression of DirectDraw Surface DDS textures within a game engine. If missing, the game will launch to a black screen or with invisible models, often citing a texture manifest not found or arithmetic exception during the UI draw call. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Unlike Windows core files, texture DDS module DLL belongs to the specialized DirectDraw Surface DDS texture logic environment, and you must reinstall the software that is failing to load to rebuild the internal library links and stop the error. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with texture DDS module. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry, we have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. If you are still seeing the error after a reboot, it indicates that the application's local file structure is damaged, so you should perform a clean reinstallation by deleting the program's hidden app data folders. This ensures that old configuration files are not blocking the new version of your DLL from being deployed by the official installer. Why are we doing this? Well, third-party libraries are often cached in temporary directories, and a clean wipe is the only way to force the software to recognize a fresh library file. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Be aware that manual fixes for texture DDS module DLL often create more problems than they solve. Incorrect file versions can cause cascading crashes across other applications, making your PC significantly less stable than before. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. Resolve library inconsistencies and review system architecture using the reference below for information related to your texture DDS module environment. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped texture DDS module workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.